We're going to do a little cognitive load exercise. For this activity, you will need a sheet of paper and something to write with, pen or pencil. Please pause the video while you get these supplies. When you're ready, hit play. All right, I'm going to show you a slide, the next slide, for about 3 seconds. I would like you to memorize the letters as well as you can, and then I'm going to ask you to write them down. So here we go. Now please write down those letters on your sheet of paper as they appeared on the screen. Pause the video if needed. Hit play when you are ready to continue. We are going to do this again with another set of letters. You'll have again about 3 seconds. Memorize them as well as you can, and then when I continue to the next slide, you will write them down. Here we go. Write the letters down as you saw them. Press pause if needed, and then press play to continue when you're ready. So looking at how you did on these activities, you'll notice that the letters in each list are actually the same. But which of those tasks was easier, and why? You probably found that the second one was easier, and that's because it was chunked. So you can see that WHO, instead of being separated between the H and the O, is chunked into the word WHO, or World Health Organization, if you thought of that as an abbreviation. The other ones were chunked into abbreviations as well. So the first one really had 12 chunks of information. Each letter was on its own, sort of. The second one was chunked into meaningful pieces. The brain can remember usually between 3 and 7 chunks of information. We sometimes call these schemas or collections of knowledge, and because the first one had so many, it was more difficult to remember. So this principle is something referred to as cognitive load. How much load of information can we cognitively handle? So in this module that is upcoming, we will ask ourselves, how can we reduce cognitive load to increase learning?